everybody, I'm Susan from Senior Style. Hope everybody's having a great day. I have unboxing. Came in a box like this. Pretty good size. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. I'm doing a giveaway when I reach 500. And also, if you refer a subscriber to my channel, you'll get an extra entry. So make sure that you share my videos and give me a thumbs up. So that always is appreciated. And so let's go ahead and get started. All right, so Ted already kind of helped me out here, so thank you. Because it's kind of awkward. All right, let's see what we got here. And make sure you hit the bell to be notified every time I upload videos, and that's quite a bit, so you want to make sure you subscribe too. All right, so we got Dr. Ho Neck Comfort. Gentle neck traction and stretch. So this helps with headaches, posture, if you have any pain in your neck, pinched nerves, that type of thing. So we thought this would be pretty useful since I always have constant pain in my neck and I've been to like a million doctors and nobody can help me. So we figured this would probably give it a try. Why not? All right, so that's the first thing. Let's see here. It's pretty heavy. Okay. All right. There we go. Thank you, honey bunch. All right, here's some flex tone pads. These work really good. And those, you can put them like anywhere. And it's like the TENS unit. And so we've used those before and those were very effective. So that's what that is. And let's see what this one is. Neck Pain Pro, and this has the position, you put it around your neck basically. That's the TENS unit that you hook up the pads with, and then that gives you kind of the pads, and they are very effective. We've used those, like I said before. So we're gonna try this and see how it goes. It's wearable and portable, so you can just like, you know, be watching TV or whatever and just relaxing, and make sure you don't use this when you drive because you'll be falling asleep at the wheel. And that might not be a good way of going. All right, so we're looking forward to using that. And we got one more box here. Oh, this is the posture brace. So if you have problems with like slouching over, you worked at a computer like forever, and your posture is not the best, like mine, and that's just basically from working at a computer kind of like this, instead of like this all day, which is not good. And this is a brace that will help you maintain your posture. And it does help with, like if you have trouble breathing because you're kind of hunched over, that helps with your diaphragm basically. So that's what that looks like. All right, so that's my unboxing of my Dr. Ho neck Pain Pro and other items. So we'll keep you updated on how it works out for us. So me and Ted are going to be using both items, so we'll give you a follow-up probably in about a week or two, because that usually gives you enough time to kind of figure out if it's going to be, you know, effective or not. All right, so until next time, thanks for watching. Susan from Senior Style, from a senior point of view. Have a great day, guys. Bye-bye.